Welcome back to Pictures. Today we're going to be working on my dad's Suzuki King Quad, and we just need to change the front rear axles. Let's get to it.
Hit pressure. Hold it straight, yes. Good. You good? Nope, keep all your stuff to the right. Hold on. Where's that little washer that was with this? Where's the other piece? Take these bolts out for the upper and lower, and then we're able to pull it right out. So you're going to be on this side with this. Yeah, do that. I'll hold this in.
You want to switch and I hold this?
Good, you got it? Grab it right here, and I want you to pull it up right here on the handle. Pull it right here. Give it a yank. Yank it again. Yank it again. Yank it again. Yank it.
Is this a new one?
Come on, where are the Yankees at? Yank it. Yeah! Oh, tragedy. All right, so now he pulled the axle out.
Is this a new axle?
No, that's the old one. We're just going to replace it because we bought all four. And now we're going to install the new axle. You ready, dude? Open up the box. And reverse process to put it back in.
Let me use my hand.
That's it. You didn't need it.
Is it on?
Huh?
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. Okay, now Daddy's going to help you with this part. Scooch back a little bit. You hold the camera. Get it in there. So the rear is a lot easier than the front. You're just going to slip it in. You want to make sure that the teeth are lined up. Holding the shaft. There you go. So she's popped in. One thing I like to do, point the camera at this.
Sorry.
Right here at the end, since I don't have a rubber mallet, I'll back out the castellated nut, holding the axle straight. A couple of little love taps just to make sure that she's in there and seated. Now we're going to take this castellated nut off, and Joseph's going to reinstall everything the way he took it apart.
Even the tires?
Everything. Well, we got spacers and new wheels to put on, so maybe we'll put them on just to see what they look like today.
Is it a video?
Yep, I hope so. Should be. Righty tighty, buddy. Righty tighty, you're going left. Good. Just going to tighten it down a little bit. All right, so now that we got rear axle done, how long did that take?
Like 5 minutes.
I'd say like 10 to 15 minutes total. New axle's in. We're gonna jump on the front wheel, take that off, repeat the process on the front.